my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At last love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Yes, I need you, baby. And if it's
Great.
quite alright, I need you, baby.
Hi, here we
Don't
go.
wanna lonely
We are in beach
night. I
right
love
now,
you, baby.
and
Trust in
I
me
meet
when I say,
Bule
oh
here.
yeah.
Will
You're so
nih bule,
pretty, baby.
bule
Don't
apa
let
ya?
me
Bule
down,
potan.
I pray, oh pretty
Wow, see,
baby. Now that I found you, stay and let me love you. Oh baby, let me love you, oh baby.
look at the sunset. Look at me.
Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to
Wow,
touch. I wanna
so
hold you so
awesome.
much. At last love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Yes, I need you, baby.
Coba kita
And if
tunggu di
it's
mana coba.
quite alright, I need you, baby.
It's a great
Don't want a
questions.
lonely night. I love you, baby.
Nahi parts in here
Trust in me
to be
when
a
I
part.
say, oh yeah. Oh, pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray. Oh, pretty baby, now that I found you, stay and let me love you. Oh, baby, let me love.
Oh guys, there's kid there who crying every time. Look at that. Yes. This is my vlog, my friends. It is Madian. Siapa? Iya.
Apa sih kan dia dada-dada sudah bisa apa?
See, this is my friend from ITB, physical technique,
Physics engineering.
physics engineering. Thank you for watching my vlog. Please subscribe. It is Bira Beach, the place in south of Sulawesi. Apa itu?
And if I'm feeling good to you, and you're feeling good to me, there ain't nothing we can't do or say. Feeling good, feeling fine. Oh, baby, let the music play.
Huh? What is that? Sheep. See, very crowded of people in here. She's my friend too. His name, Dian. He's very like, really like Doraemon. Wanna say something in my blog? No? Thank you. I know you, yeah. Very crowded of people near who playing football. Mas